Hello, and welcome to another Blacklist walkthrough guide. We are going to be covering in this video how to update information connected to your project. So what we're looking at right now is the Writer dashboard. This is the first thing that you see after logging into your account. So let's say that we want to update some of the information connected to our project, the book. Basically, you just need to click on either the project tile right here in your main dashboard or over here in the left-hand navigation panel. Clicking on the title here or right over here, both will open up the project page. Now we're looking at the project page for the book. To edit any of the information connected to the project, we'd go to the Edit Project tab. From here, you can tweak all of the information connected to your project. You can update the title even, the pitch description. You can add a writer to your project if it was co-written with someone else. This will send an invite to add them. You can update any information about the word count. Let's say you just up here wanted to upload a new draft and your word count has changed slightly. You'll edit that right here. If you need to add some representation information. Similarly, with all the tags, you can delete or add as needed. All the way down, you can add more comp titles, take away some, add or delete characters. The main thing that I want to highlight here is that any changes you make here, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of this page and click Update Project. Otherwise, all of the hard work that you put into making those changes will not be saved, and it's a real tragedy. Finally, if you need to tweak the hosting status, you can go to the Hosting tab right here. We have an entire video series dedicated to hosting statuses and how to update them and what they all mean. So I'd encourage you to check those out if you need a little more information about that. But just as a general reminder, hosting can always be updated here. And then privacy settings, similarly, can be updated from the appropriate tab. So we'll go back to our dashboard. And again, that's how you update any of the information connected to any of your projects. You just open up the project, and then navigate to the Edit Project tab, and then just make sure that you scroll to the bottom to save any of your changes.